In this episode, we will explore a sample interview for a PySpark developer requirement. As we have seen in the previous episodes, to go to the workspace, we will click on the CoPanel icon on the status bar at the bottom and then select PySpark from the drop-down menu, and this will open the PySpark project. The candidate can take a minute to explore the README file. The candidate opens the terminal from the menu bar, then selects Terminal and New Terminal. The candidate is asked to create a sample CSV data file. The interviewer provides a few records for an employee dataset containing name and salary. The candidate creates this file, and the interviewer asks them to write PySpark code to calculate the average salary from this dataset. The candidate creates a new Python file using the new file icon on the Explorer window on the top, as shown here. The candidate writes the code and then goes to the terminal window. Here we can see that the virtual environment is not loaded. So the candidate activates the virtual environment and then executes the code. CoPanel initializes a new Spark cluster and runs the code on it. Spinning up the cluster might take a few seconds. Once the setup is provisioned, the code is executed on the cluster, and the final result is displayed in the terminal window. Thank you for your interest in CoPanel. For more information, please visit us at copanel.online or shoot out a mail to sales@copanel.online. Also, please follow us on social media to stay on top of the latest updates from CoPanel.